In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a WhatsApp link on Squarespace. If you want visitors to contact you quickly through WhatsApp, adding a button is a simple and effective way to do it. We'll be working directly inside your Squarespace editor, and the process is very straightforward. First, go to the section of your Squarespace page where you want the WhatsApp link to appear. Once you're in the right spot, click on ADD Block. This opens the block menu where you can choose the type of content you want to insert into the page. Since we want visitors to click something visible and clear, we're going to use a button. From the block options, click on Button. Squarespace will place a new button block onto the page. This is what your visitors will eventually click to open WhatsApp, so placing it in a visible area can really help improve engagement. For example, many people choose to add it near a contact section, service description, or call to action area. Next, double-click the button block to open its settings. This is where you'll customize how the button looks and where it sends people. Double-clicking is important here because it gives you access to the editable fields for the button. Once the settings panel appears, edit the text of the button. This is the label your visitors will see, so make sure it's clear and action-oriented. Something simple and direct works best, like chat on WhatsApp or contact us on WhatsApp. The goal is to make it obvious what happens when someone clicks. After that, click on Attach Link. This is the field where you'll connect the button to your WhatsApp destination. Squarespace lets you attach different types of links, and in this case, you'll be using your WhatsApp link. Now, paste the WhatsApp link into the link field. Make sure the link is correct because this is what will open the WhatsApp chat when someone clicks the button. If your link includes a pre-filled message, that can also help make it easier for visitors to reach out right away. Just be sure everything is formatted properly before saving. Once that's done, your button is essentially ready. It's a good idea to preview the page and test the button yourself to confirm that it opens WhatsApp correctly on both desktop and mobile. That way, you can be confident your visitors will have a smooth experience. And that's how to add a WhatsApp link on Squarespace.